Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to improve voice quality in 11 Labs. So actually guys, first you will need to go with 11labs.io website and then sign in with your account. So now you will need to choose a high quality voice. Some voices are premium or advanced, designed for more natural or expressive speech. Okay, and of course, you will need to select a voice that fits your style, like narration, storytelling, conversational, etc. Even calm, not harmful, alright? So, here on the text to speech option under the playground section on the left hand menu, you will find the voices. Okay, so here you can type you can type the type of the voice that you want. Okay. So for example, I do like a calm, okay? So I will choose that one. And then all you need to do is use clear and structured text. So in your text, you will need to use proper punctuations that improves the AI pronunciation and passing, okay? So the dots for periods like normal sentence pause, and the commas for the short pause, and the three dots or ellipses for the dramatic pause. And avoid overlay long sentences and break them into smaller chunks for natural rhythm. And once you finish typing, you will need to go with the left hand menu, and here you will need to adjust the voice settings and enable the audio enhancement, and then just test the voice after generating. For example, you can test it, alright, and then just download it to your computer. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.